Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we're doing this again. We're doing types of people because
I really like it.
And we have no other ideas at the moment.
But we do.
So we're gonna be doing types of people
Popping a fidget.
And I bet you can already guess which one I'm gonna be.
Okay.
Scared.
So
the scared person. Me.
Okay. Okay. So get your dimple.
Ooh, what is this?
Ah! Oh my God! What? Are you okay? Oh my God! Why was so loud? Oh my God! She's so perfect.
Okay.
Further on.
And I'm gonna do a YouTuber.
Okay, the annoying YouTuber.
I'm really good at annoying YouTuber voice.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and.
Oh my God! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So we got an entire bit of new fidget toys. Oh my God! 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 So one of my new favorites is this unicorn glow in the dark poppet. Listen to how it pops.
Oh. What's that face?
Turns camera off. I hate fidgets. Turn the camera back on. Oh my God, I love fidgets.
Okay, now it's my turn. The person who loves fidgets, and then I'm gonna do the person who hates fidgets. Okay, just pretend I was in a store. Okay.
Ooh.
No, I'm actually gonna be the. Can I change it?
Yeah.
The kid who is wondering what fidgets are.
Ooh, what can this be?
Ooh. Nah, that doesn't taste good.
Disgusting! Oh, my favorite color. What you looking at, dog? Let's hear this side. Oh my God! Now, let's try. Oh, this one is pretty. What do I do? Oh, the same thing that I did with this one.
You get the job.
Now the person who hates fidgets.
The kid who is also wondering what fidgets are, but hates them.
Ooh, what these could be?
No, wait, I need to. No, wait, actually, I'm going to be the person who
Hates fidgets.
loves. No, wait,
You just did the person who loves.
the person who makes homemade.
Okay.
I love this new thing that I just made. I actually did make this. Well, my friend did, but I decorated it. Mm.
It's so good.
It's so good. Oh, I think I made another one in here. Yep, this one. It's so pretty. I love it.
And that was the video. So like and subscribe. And bye. See you next time.